Punctuate right. Understanding periods, question marks, and exclamation points. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the world of punctuation, specifically focusing on periods, question marks, and exclamation points. These are essential tools in written English, helping convey meaning and emotion. Let's get started. A period, also known as a full stop in some regions, is a fundamental punctuation mark in English. It is primarily used to indicate the end of a declarative sentence. Example: she reads books. Remember, it signifies a complete thought. Don't overuse it in informal writing, or your sentences might come off as choppy. Do you know when to use this? A question mark, as its name implies, is used at the end of a direct question. Example: what time is it? Points to note. Not all sentences that start with how, why, where, etc. end with a question mark. Watch the sentence's intention. Right, what a lovely day it is. Wrong, what time is it? Expressing strong emotion or a loud command? That's where the exclamation point shines. It helps convey surprise, excitement, urgency, or command. Examples: I can't believe you did that. Stop. Usage tips. Use it sparingly. Overuse can dilute its impact. It's less common in formal writing but great for adding a punch in informal contexts. Whenever you end a sentence with any of these punctuation marks, the first word of the next sentence must be capitalized. It signifies the beginning of a new thought. Examples: she loves coffee. It keeps her awake. Is that your book? I thought it was mine. I'm so excited. Tomorrow is my birthday. And that wraps up our lesson on periods, question marks, and exclamation points. Remember, correct punctuation is key to clear communication in written English. We hope you found this video useful, and happy punctuating!